Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial what I'm going to show you is how we can easily turn on a secret feature in Apple iPhone which helps you to reduce motion sickness while on a car or something that's moving. So there are many instances where people are using their phone inside a car or any of the vehicle, and they started feeling like dizzy, a headache or something like that. So there's an easy way to solve that on your iPhone. So this is a secret option. You don't have to install any applications or anything. So the first thing you have to do is go on to your settings. Once you're in the settings, you can scroll down and find the option accessibility. You can click on it. Once you're in here, you can see the fourth option, which is motion. In your case, it might be somewhere over this page, so you can scroll and find the option motion. Once you have it, you just click on it, and now we can see the option reduce motion option. You can just click on it, and now there is a okay, so not that one. So you can see there's the option called show vehicle motion cues. You have to click on it, and you have to just turn it on automatic. So whenever the iPhone detects that you are in a car or driving or inside a vehicle, it will just automatically turn on. So if you want to turn it on manually, you just click on turn on, and now you can see the dots appearing on the phone. So these dots move with the shaking of your phone, which helps to reduce motion sickness. So I actually don't have motion sickness. I haven't faced it till now, so I'm not sure how that works. So yeah, it works, and I have seen my friends use it, and they also say that it works. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.